cozy morning routine. I'm going to start by giving some light into our room and just making my bed. This definitely sets the tone for my day, and I absolutely cannot leave my space without making sure our bed is in a good position. I then love to just let that beautiful morning light into our home. This is the main bathroom. I'm going to give our little plant here a little love with some water. And once that's good to go, I'm going to take off any little dead leaves that I see. In all transparency, my husband does this task, but I cannot stand seeing dead leaves on our plant. Then I'm going to get my day started by preparing myself for my morning walk. I'm going to grab a little energy drink and then make my way outside. It was such a nice crisp morning. The dew was still on the trees and the leaves. And lately, as we transition to fall, it's been so foggy early in the morning before 7 a.m. And I just absolutely love that. I love standing in this spot and just taking a moment to center myself and ground myself in gratitude. I really love walking. I've been walking for a whole year now, actually, since giving birth to my second child, and it's just been one of my favorite ways to stay in shape and also lose pounds without working too hard. After my walk, I simply take a shower and I try to ground myself in the Word. Definitely give myself a little bit of space for prayer and meditation. Again, I don't do this every single morning. I would love to, but this is an ideal, perfect morning. And I get to do skincare. How lucky am I right now? I try to keep my skincare routine pretty simple. When I have the time, I just like to cleanse and then apply my toner, some essence, a little serum, moisturizer, and then I love recently using these beautiful eye patches. They're by the brand Bolden. I also use topicals, whatever I can get my hands on. They're amazing. I refreshed my hair this morning in the shower because, again, I had a little bit of extra time, and so I wanted to just dry my hair a little bit so that the rest of it can air dry. I did a slick back low ponytail. This look makes me feel really confident, really put together. Even though I'll be spending most of the day at home working, this is something that makes me feel really good to start the morning. Then I like to go downstairs and get myself something to eat. And this particular morning, I was in the mood for some French toast and also some hot tea. I'm not really a big tea drinker. If I need something warm, I'll go for coffee, but this morning, tea was definitely in order. First, I'm just going to prepare my ingredients by placing them all out. This is definitely how I love to cook. I like to make sure that I'm not surrounded by chaos, that everything is in order, and I can simply grab what I need when I need it because it's right in front of me. This French toast recipe, you guys, is so simple yet so flavorful. It really works well for any type of bread you might have on hand. Today, I'm using just some simple whole wheat potato bread, but if you really want to take this to another level, get the brioche, and you're going to have the most amazing brioche French toast you've ever had. To add the bread that I have drenched in the custard, I'm going to let the excess drip off back into the bowl, and I'm going to basically sear the French toast on both sides in a little bit of butter until golden brown. It'll take a couple of minutes, but this is why I like slow mornings, because you get a gorgeous result when you have a little bit of patience. While the French toast is cooking on the other side, I'm going to wash some fresh berries. This morning I had some strawberries and blueberries, and I'm just going to give them a wash, let them dry, and slice up the strawberries while I wait for my last slice of French toast to get done cooking. Once that's all squared away, there's only one thing left to do, and that's to enjoy this gorgeous French toast. 2 slices for me with some fresh berries on top, and honestly, because it's a beautiful fall morning and I'm feeling so good, I'm gonna go for my favorite powdered sugar as well. Once I've dusted the powdered sugar on top, the only syrup that I like on my French toast is pure Vermont maple syrup. I'm going to tell you right now, nothing screams fall more than maple syrup from Vermont. It's just chef's kiss. While I'm enjoying my delicious breakfast, there's one thing on my mind, and that's how can I add a little bit more fall decor to my home? And the one thing that was on my list was to add some fall rugs. I wanted to add a washable rug to the kitchen, and I found this gorgeous one on Rugs USA, and I'm obsessed with how it looks. I also wanted to change out my entry rug because I have never changed this rug since we moved in, and I wanted something a little bit more dynamic, and I think this checkered rug does the trick. After I completed my breakfast and my morning chores for the day, I went ahead and just made a cozy spot on the couch. I really don't get a chance in the mornings to relax, and lately just lighting some candles in the morning and watching something on TV, whether it's a quick little movie or a show, has been giving me so much peace and has just really been calming and nourishing to my soul. So this morning I wanted to watch just a few minutes of one of my comfort movies, and if you know, you know, it's in the Twilight series and it's New Moon. It just, I don't know, when it's fall and Twilight's on, all is right with the world. Let me know if you made it this far in the video and comment below if you're into Twilight as much as me. It is just one of my favorites. I'm Team Edward all day. I hope you enjoyed this fall morning routine, and I hope it brought you a little calmness, a little motivation, a little inspiration. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.